السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Welcome to the first class of Noorul Bayaan. So within this class, we'll be using this textbook to explain and go through the basics of Arabic pronunciation, the Arabic alphabets, stringing words together, stringing sentences together, and properly articulating them with the right pronunciation. So moving on. The name of the book is Noorul Bayaan, and we're going to move on with the first lecture. So within the first lecture, we start with Al-Huruf al-Hijai, that's the Arabic alphabet. So one by one, I'll be going through each and every one of them, and make sure to look at it carefully. Look at where the cursor is pointing to notice which letter I'm pronouncing, and concentrate on this class so that you may benefit as much as you can from it, inshallah. Moving on, start with the first letter. Alifun, alifun, ba'un, ba'un, ta'un, ta'un, tha'un, tha'un, jimun, 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 ha'un, غاء دال ذال راء راء ذاي سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ضاء ظاء ظاء عين عين غين غين فاء فاء قاف قاف كاف كاف لام لام ميم ميم نون نون ماء واو واو همزة همزة ياء ياء. So these are the Arabic alphabets, and this is what we went through within the first class. So before we end today's class, inshallah, I'll be pointing at random letters, and you try to recall which letter it is. So as you are watching the video, if there is a letter you didn't get, you could just scroll back. You could just move back a few seconds behind and then listen to how I pronounce the letter. So I'll be pointing at random letters. You have like 3 seconds to tell me which letter it is, and then after the 3 seconds has elapsed, then I'll now pronounce the letter itself. So what is this letter? You have 3 seconds. This is Tha'un. 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 So if you got it wrong, try to recall this and remember this is Tha'un. What letter is this? This one is Ainun. 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 What letter is this? This is Nunun. 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 What letter is this? This is Ha'un. 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 What letter is this? This is Dha'un. 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 So try to revise this. If you cannot, if there's anyone you can't recall, just go back a few seconds within the video and then practice and practice it, and inshallah, um, you'll be able to easily recall all the Arabic alphabets, how it is being pronounced, and if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me within the classroom or message me directly, and we'll see you in the next class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.